You can find links to all the products that you see in this video, and as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Of the diecast cars, these are 125th, well, scale 124th, 125th, and this one here, this Chevelle, let's see who makes it. I don't even say. I've been trying to figure out who makes it. There's no maker's mark on here. Well, there is there, but I don't know what it says. And there is no manufacturer's mark on here. So if anybody knows who made this, let me know. But it's a 70 Chevelle, which is true to my heart because that was my first car, was a 70 Chevelle. You see pictures of it at the end of all my videos. I've had 3 of them. But this car I found in a one of them indoor flea markets up in Pennsylvania, I believe it was. And I think I only paid, it was like $6 or something like that. It came looking just like this. It's got a blown motor and everything in there. Pretty cool motor. It's metal. It's a die-cast car. I believe doors open. And if we look inside, it's got really good details on this. The engine is detailed. The interior is detailed. So it's got great big tires on the back, side pipes on it, center line wheels, which are absolutely look awesome on here, although mine had aluminum slots. I love aluminum slots as well. But this has white letter Goodyear tires. I don't know when this came out. If you know anything about this diecast, who made it or anything, let me know. But this is one of my favorite diecasts that I've ever found. And it was at, like I said, it was at a little indoor flea market about 2 years ago. I found this. But it's a really, really cool diecast. I pretty much love it. So there is my 70 Chevelle street rod diecast. Very cool.